Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax with TurboTax Canada. First, select the TurboTax product that best suits your needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations involving investments or self-employment. Next, ensure you have all your essential tax documents ready, like T4 slips, medical receipts, and donation records. Finally, log into your existing TurboTax account or create a new one to start your tax journey. This preparation will make the filing process much smoother. Once logged in, you'll begin by entering your personal information, ensuring all details are correct. Then, proceed to input all your income sources, such as T4 slips for employment income, T4A slips for other income, and any investment income. TurboTax guides you through this process, making it straightforward. Don't forget to claim all eligible deductions and credits, like medical expenses or charitable donations, to maximize your refund or minimize your amount owing. After entering all your information, it's crucial to thoroughly review your entire tax return. TurboTax provides a comprehensive review feature that checks for common errors and suggests ways to optimize your return, ensuring you receive all the benefits you're entitled to. If you're filing for a family, make sure all family members' returns are linked to take advantage of potential spousal or dependent credits. This step is vital for accurate and efficient filing. Once you're confident everything is accurate, you can electronically submit your completed tax return directly to the Canada Revenue Agency, or CRA, through NetFile. This secure method ensures quick processing. Remember to save digital or physical copies of all your tax documents and your filed return for at least 6 years, as the CRA may request them for verification. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home and simplify your cleaning routine, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and self-emptying convenience. You can find a link to this amazing product, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.